making copies of DNA. Now, I obviously didn't come out of my mama this big with this many cells. No, you come out as a little 8-pound, 6-ounce you, and all of those cells need to replicate and grow until you come out with you, like as a you. Now, keep in mind, right, that these cells don't just get bigger, okay? They replicate. They make copies of themselves, right? If I go and cut off the tip of my finger, I'm gonna get another tip of my finger, okay? So it's important. Now, at the same time, I'm gonna cut my hand off. I don't regenerate a hand, but I take some skin off, bam, I get more skin, okay? So, making copies of DNA, it happens all the time, okay? The things that we need to know is that an enzyme breaks the DNA chain into 2 half chains, okay? So we've got this, like, each, like, rung of that rope ladder is made up of 2 nucleotides, so those get split in the center. So we got half a rope ladder and half a rope ladder, as kind of shown there.